I remember if we bring Gucci, you see me?
Oh, it's the shirt.
Yeah, man, the shirt. And one more thing. You see, if one underpants me see I beat last week. Yeah, man, more yelling me.
You want the word?
Yeah, man, more the underpants, man. Yeah, full of
Put
people.
them, put them. You need man underpants? You need man underpants today.
You
need man underpants.
Squad. What's up, everybody? You don't know your boy Razablade, and me have a banger phone up today. See this video where Ken prank Gio. She says she a borrow our close friend close them to see how Gio react. Now, you already know so this a prank, yeah. I go epic from you hear that, cause me I go do it. Furthermore, me I go turn it up a little notch. Me I go even try to borrow my friend underpants. Yeah, we live in a country. As a matter of fact, nobody know if you borrow nobody underwear, period. Shoot, me can't believe me said that word there. Nobody know if you borrow that. Nobody know if you borrow them friend clothes. Full stop. Full stop. Oh, period. Period, poo. Ah! Why the hell me say that? Anyway, so that I got already epic plus me want to see how my fiance would react for hear me. Me not like people, me not like beg. Me rather do without. Worse, me not like borrow. Furthermore, me not like people clothes. Me always hear that thing the back in the day say people borrow people clothes. Me don't know. Most me that probably borrow is a pullover. But you know that go. So we're gonna make she hear say, yo, I borrow underpants. Plus me gonna say, you know what? I'm gonna leave it in the prank. I want to look forward to something. Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime. Go watch your prank. Go and go watch your video. You feel like I'm gonna edit the part at all. Go and go watch your video. I'm not edit your part. You like when we wear that spray? You like when we wear that spray?
It smells really good.
I use it. Call Jamil for me. Call Jamil before that shot.
Call him?
Yeah, call him.
Okay. Call what?
Just call him. Anyone, what's up? Whatever.
Oh.
Them say me ready. Just them say me ready. Me talk to him. I'm sleeping, and I post it on Instagram. What that you have? What that you have?
What?
You coffee?
I'm a spit. Alright.
Yo!
Jamila just want to talk to you.
Yo, man, I tell you something ready now, we so forward. I remember if we bring Gucci, you see me?
Oh, it's the shirt.
Yeah, man, the shirt. And one more thing. You see, if one underpants me see I beat last week. Yeah, man, more yelling me.
You want the word?
Yeah, man, more the underpants, man.
Move friends.
Yo, let's bring it.
Move friends. Jamil, give me food. Jamila.
Yo, hang up, bro. You see me, I'm breaking the phone attack. Yeah.
Baby, don't do that.
Don't do what?
Don't do that.
Don't do what?
Baby, I borrow man underpants.
So what?
Just move from here, so man. You're disgusting.
Baby,
Baby, want that underpants what you have.
But so, you mean I have like the brand new we see with?
Give me my phone.
You have to call me ready, so I go.
Baby, want that underpants what you have. You borrow man underpants.
So what? Baby, that
Baby,
big
a
deal.
disgusting style in
No,
there.
that's what the big deal.
Baby, a disgusting
Baby,
style.
people borrow people clothes all the while.
No, but you're not even for borrow him clothes. You don't need to borrow him clothes.
Why not?
Just want a shirt where you have where you don't wear yet.
Bro, I feel represent the thing today, it really sweet.
And you go borrow my underpants?
So what? People
Just stop it.
So like if my borrow
Babe,
shirt,
stop it.
if
Don't
you-
make me find it unattractive. Don't do it.
Whoa.
Don't do it.
So hold on, if a person borrow your socks or your shoes or underpants, the same thing, underpants.
Just the
panties,
underpants different, that personal, that I go for your private area.
Bro,
Babe,
you
you
go
want
wash
the
it.
underpants where you have. Me have one bag in there to tie up with underpants we never
So,
wear
but
before.
we can't find them because you tie them up and hide
Just
them.
because some of them are the same thing.
No, I want see, you made up of your borrow because of that.
Just stop it. Babe, stop it. You don't Babe, you're short
Babe,
of
me no want wear them, no want
You
to
don't
them.
short of, you don't. 1, 2,
The only
3,
brand them I like
4,
in the
5,
like them and the American
six,
people them and the ear of them.
7. True religion.
None of them are bad like you want to
Just stop. Just stop. You don't. Could
So you're full of
Could
paper.
there. You need man underpants. You need man underpants today.
Babe, none of them are bad.
You need man underpants.
Babe,
Stop it.
None of them are bad like you want to
Just stop it. It don't matter how you're close to and Jamila, but don't borrow the man underpants.
God, the man go
You're
wash him.
disgusting.
The man go wash him.
It don't care. I don't care. You don't need to do that. Put on underpants, could they? Me can't stop done short underpants. Yeah, borrow man underpants. Why?
Max said you're full of babies.
Why? You need man underpants?
Babe, them are hero,
Baby, you want
American
an
Eagle
underpants
knife.
and socks, you have
And I
them
want
a
to
shirt what you have.
I'm a favorite on this. But baby, you don't have none more bad like you want to see. Babe, so you
You're
just
too ready.
you should make your call
You
in
don't
though.
care, man. You're too ready, eh?
If first time you hear me burst ready, listen man, as a matter of
Brother,
fact,
even if they go borrow man shirt, don't borrow man
no, you can't
underpants.
tell me for borrow my friend. He's a close friend.
Babe, don't make me find you unattractive.
He's a close friend. What you want me to do?
Babe, stop it. You don't need to do that.
Why me no need
You
for
want
you?
the underwear where you have.
You never borrowed nothing yet.
Me never borrow nobody jazz.
You don't need, you ain't no close like that then.
Jason, are your private area?
Bro, me go wash it.
I don't care.
So why you care more
If
of
he
me?
said because of your private, the piece because it's different from full one, bro, you still have a split in the middle up on the top.
Yeah, what the hell will you know?
Just stop it. Don't do that. There, call Jamil. Do not do
Bro,
that.
that's
You're not even know if Jamila will think no way about it.
Bro, listen, me I said, me and the
Stop
man
it, man.
agree to it. Well, me agree to his shirt. They never know about the underpants thing.
See, I want Michael Corder. Wear that.
Bro, me don't want to wear this. Louis Vuitton and Gucci. Me don't have that yet. So buy me that then.
You're too ready, eh?
Babe, what me ready I
You're
with?
too
Doesn't
ready.
matter if I call anything you want to call me. Though.
Just you're too ready, baby. Don't need
It's a special occasion.
Babe, how it look?
It have gold
Let
on
me
it.
see if I can order one.
It have gold.
You not have underpants with
No, me not talk about wash over painting gold. Me talk about gold, like gold. And not plated gold. That me I try to tell
You
you.
can't do that.
Bro.
Babe, when you get them dirty style, you're not
Yo,
like this.
where you get the style for every time they put my phone and talk? You want for ya?
Bro, you should have begged me call him. You begged me
That's
call
a
him.
mistake. It's the next time I have my conversations, I wait till me in one private area, I sort out myself. Because what you're doing, you're eavesdropping and I don't like it.
Jason, when since I stay so, it don't look good. It don't look, babe, when since I stay so.
You know what I'm saying, man? Yeah, come. You know, you see what I want to pack you back my underpants then. I'm glad that you do still
Babe,
a car.
don't stay so.
I'm gonna stay. Listen, man.
Babe, don't do it. Jason, don't. That's not funny. Don't let me hear you do that again. I don't care.
I set you up.
I don't care. That nasty style them, man. Move first, so. Move. Yeah,
Yeah,
man,
I'm
tingle
kidding.
nigga go swinging, I see him something.
I'm kidding.
Cause me no know you as that type of person. Look, come on. Guys,
What that mean? That don't mean nothing.
you want a underpants where you have, you no need to do that. Jesse can wear underpants with 2 months on no washing and bathe 2 times a day.
Wow, what an exaggeration.
Me not gonna make him know say, you tell me say it's a prank. Watch me and him.
What you gonna do?
Watch me. I say if Jamila read, I could just lie to me, so. Ring.
Are you your friend or my friend?
Mega prove that today. Can you say you tell me say a prank?
Man, I take a call. You see? You're not going to get him call, guess what? I did call back. Call again. Are your friend or my friend?
May I use the phone call?
No, me go call. Of course.
Alright, maybe prove something. I can probably change my point. And see if Jamila really not take my call.
The man knows it's a prank, so I'm not going to take a call, babe. Hang up. Call him on my phone. What you have to prove? Or what you have to lose?
So I know who forget some of my dinner today.
Whoa.
Yeah, bro.
Where are you? Yo, take a photo for me.
No. Jamila,
Yes.
you never see me a call you?
Yeah, of course.
Why y'all in just clothes for?
Some of them getting everything.
And you gonna name my underpants.
So, we share everything, yeah? You put us on another share.
Am my friend that? Am my gun that? Am my friend that? Yo, if I don't say a prank now. Yeah. Yo, I'm so forward, bro. Alright.
Jamila, I'm not getting none of my stupids.
But, yo, am my friend that?
Babe, move friends, so.
Play. Google Ram, am my friend.